pepperman is the noise. Yes, this is official. Oh my god, I forgot. This is the official the noise, and I don't like it. Because he just randomly pushes Pepino when he's ahead. I've gotten so much better. Get your goofy out of here, bro. Oh my god. I'm horrible at this still. Oh my god, I accidentally pressed freaking. Oh my god, dude, I hate this part. No! Get out of here. Oh my god! Oh my god. Get out of here. I swear, dude. There we go. Oh my god. Whew. Yay. Yay. But this is the official one. If you want to do this yourself, you can look it up online. For some reason, the garnish cook is weird. Bad balance is weird. But yeah, that's it. Please like and subscribe. Please, please. I would love it so much if you did. But yeah, I'm gonna end this video here. Yay!